Surface sun will even compromise. Adapting ways I wasn't before. And when the moonlight falls and it's no surprise, stranger in the midst of it all.
Well, good evening wherever you are on this most pleasant evening. There has been a clamour to get inside the ground tonight for a much anticipated game. The roads outside of the stadium have been bumper to bumper with traffic. The car parks are full. There is a torrent of humankind making its way from the nearby station, and we expect every seat to be filled. An atmosphere of great expectation and excitement. It is a venue this which simply adds to the spectacle of the game in stage. It's what the Cristiano Ronaldo! And he's done it!
And what a great way to start the game, to spark the game. I mean, the captain has basically triggered a contest that should be even livelier than we anticipated. Get your seatbelts on, this could be rather exciting.
Swift, incisive, deadly, all done in a matter of seconds.
Quick, decisive and unerring, a textbook example of how to turn defence into counter-attack. That'll do for me every time.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's always the #1 contender, and he's done it again.
Goes for it, and the follow-up, and the ball's come out. Keita. Jordan Henderson tries lifting it over. Kike can get it clear. Wantong United get it back again. Saul plays it. Shot at goal! It's come back out! And in it goes! They have got it! They have their equaliser! Ter Stegen did well the first time. Nothing he could do about the follow-up.
Oh, players like this fella almost have a sixth sense to get themselves in such great coaching positions. How quick-minded was that?
That has certainly made things interesting.
Oh, look, Peter, who knows what's about to happen from here? I doubt this will be the final score, though.
Hoists it high, looks to play him in. It's a minor communications breakdown. Dinks one in. Defending of the desperate variety. Griezmann has a pop! It's in! And the game is well and truly turned on its head. Well, that always looked the likely outcome.
Griezmann is the obvious danger man here, and yet he's afforded way too much freedom. I think he was gifted that goal. His reputation should have been warning enough for them.
Wantong United get themselves into the lead.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
Going through, shapes to shoot! Sticks it away! And they're at it again in double quick time!
And looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning breakaway.
He snaffles his third, and that earns him the match ball.
Well, he's been the outstanding player on the pitch and devastating in front of goal. What a display, what a player.
Bolton United take a 2-goal lead and are looking good for the win.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
Henderson tries to get it forward quickly. Saul into opposition territory. He wasn't very far from making something happen by himself. Lovely to see. Alaba drives it forward. Ronaldo tries to switch the play. Finds himself eased off the ball. And the weighted pass. Oh no, that's not the ball he wanted. And it's half-time here.
Well, it's hard to say whether a 2-goal advantage under these circumstances is decisive or not, but so far, haven't really seen enough to indicate that the opposition can come out in the second half and improve to that degree.
Bolton United are broadly in charge, but the contest is still alive at 3-1. Whistle goes, and we start the second half. And it's Messi. Well weighted. Gomez. Toni Kroos. Hoists it forward. The ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Going for goal! It's a goal! And the second half is off to a flyer. Simplicity itself.
It's almost criminal to see a defence fail to identify someone who thrives when it comes to shooting stats. They knew, and yet they didn't heed, and they've paid the price and deserve to.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
Scoring early in this half just takes the pressure off now and allows them a chance to be a bit more patient in trying to level things up.
And it's got through. Chance! They've done it! And there's the goal they've been looking for. Lovely goal, perfect poise to set himself for the strike. 4 in the game, he is the man. So the lead now is 2.
Well, that goal should be a big game changer. It's certainly been a big mood changer.
Now it's Griezmann. Benzema. Defender's on the back foot. Oh, good interception. It's come loose. He's got away. Timely intervention. Gomez. Neymar. Piqué. Ronaldo looks to get on the end of this. Cristiano Ronaldo. Roberto. A real chance to break. Now it's Griezmann. He's left his man. Piqué is the stronger in that contest. I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. And here's Benzema. It's Benzema! Chesney is chased. Oh, that is asking for trouble. Well, the crowd clearly like what they just saw. Some real no-nonsense defending. More than happy to take the muscular approach. He's played him through. Messi, he gets past his man. He's been bundled over, that is a foul. 1-1 United with a decent chance here, and there's little doubt about who'll take it.
Peter, the keeper knows that even if his wall is perfect, it doesn't serve as any guarantee here.
Just off target.
A more than decent attempt, Peter.
Sports officials showing that there will be 3 minutes of added time. Battles to win it back. Well, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. One Tong United did it the hard way, a testament to their great powers of recovery.